How to open YouTube Studio. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. After you're logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, here you'll find different options. Click on YouTube Studio, which is the fourth option. After you click on YouTube Studio at the bottom, click on it and then it will open YouTube Studio. If you don't have an YouTube Studio account, it will show you create your account option, which is create a channel. You will just need to add your name and create an Instagram handle like name for YouTube Studio and press on create and you're good to go. This is how to open YouTube Studio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.